How to withdraw Robinhood balance quickly. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to withdraw your Robinhood balance quickly, you could use the instant transfer feature to link debit card for a near instant access, usually available for a small fee. What you want to do is first of all open the Robinhood app onto your device, after which you just want to make sure to go to the account section at the bottom right, then select menu bar and go to transfer and go to withdraw. Once you do this, you have to go ahead and enter the exact amount and select a linked bank account or debit card. If eligible, select instant to receive funds in minutes. Often involves a fee as well, so you have to be ready for paying certain amount. And if you have Robinhood Cash Card, you can send or withdraw cash at ATM instantly as well. And this way you're supposed to withdraw Robinhood balance quickly. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you have any sort of issue, you just want to make sure to contact support, let them know about it as well.